AI is an amazing tool. I'm sure you use it. You wouldn't be to a video like this if you didn't. And when we use it well, AI can dramatically increase our output, our productivity. I mean, this is an exponential slope for a reason. We're just scratching the surface of what this is going to be able to do, and it can replace hours upon hours of tasks that you used to do. It can make you so much more efficient. It can do things faster than you can even type. That's the upside. That's the upside of using AI. It's incredibly powerful. It can summarize 200, 500 page documents in seconds. It can generate summaries of things for you. It can create images, anything that you can think of. It can be a brainstorming partner. It can track your wine cellar. It can do so many different things, and that's just scratching the surface. Now, there is a hidden dark side, though. And that hidden dark side is that sometimes when we're using tools, it can distract us from what we're hoping to accomplish in the first place. You've probably heard of these people who have all these backup sensors in their cars. They back up, and then if they get too close to something, all the bells and whistles go off, and that tells them to stop because they're going to hit something. But then you might have heard these stories too. Those people will go rent a car on vacation or something, and they'll get an old convertible, and they're relying on those backup sensors, and then they crash into a wall because they forgot to look. Right? So that backup sensor is a tool, but if it becomes something that you need, if you become dependent on it, now you're using this tool as a crutch. So if we use AI carelessly, it's going to weaken, not strengthen, weaken the skills that we're trying to build, right? Those backup sensors, if I become dependent on them, don't make me a better driver. They make me dependent on the system. So if the system goes out, or if I rent an older car, it doesn't work. So we have to remember to be human. And just like any other skill, just like any other thing, the more we practice, the better we get. But if we use AI tools to do soft skills for us, if we use AI tools to try to make us more human, then we're not actually getting any practice being human. We're not practicing soft skills, then we're not going to get any practice being human. And being human is what's going to set us apart going forward. Being with somebody who's struggling, helping people through challenging times. We can't outsource that to AI. So here's an example. There's a lot of advisors who might record their meetings. And then they take that transcript and they can create meeting notes from that. And then they can even go further. They can take that transcript and say, AI, help me become a better listener. Are there spaces where I asked the wrong question, or I could have asked a better question? Did I miss a reflection or an affirmation? Did I spend too much time talking? Did I fill in the silence too quickly? Did I leave space for my client to talk? That's using AI in a way that makes you better, makes you a better communicator. On the other hand, some people might have a conversation with somebody, say at a coffee shop, and then say, dang it, you know what? I wish I had that transcript so I could upload it to AI. I don't know what that person values. I don't know what their concerns are. So that's using AI as a crutch. If you don't know how to listen to this person and you need to upload it in order to understand it, that's using it as a crutch. That's the risk. So just think about that. As you use AI, are you using it as a tool that's helping you become a better you, that's helping you become a better person? Or are you using it as a way to prevent yourself from being human? Are you using it as a crutch? Use AI, but use it in a way that makes you better. Don't outsource your humanity. Hey, Derek Hagan here at Money Quotient. If this was interesting to you, if this is something that you want to learn more about, this is the kind of thing that we teach at Money Quotient. We teach financial advisors communication skills, facilitation techniques. We teach them about life planning. And basically it all comes down to Stephen Covey's quote, what good is climbing a ladder if it's leaning against the wrong wall? Or if the ladder you're climbing isn't leaning against the right wall, every step you take just gets you to the wrong place faster. So we help advisors, help clients identify the right wall. So if this is interesting to you, head on over to moneyquotient.com. You can learn about our true wealth planning process, which is our model of financial life planning, which guides clients through 5 stages and 4 inquiry categories. These are the types of conversations that you have. So please let me know if you want to learn more, moneyquotient.com.